Hello, hello, bonjour, bonjour, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cyril. I used to be a stem cell researcher for quite some time, and this is why I can tell you about the science behind skincare ingredient. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I have to say pretty serious because we are going to talk about a big controversy that is regarding one sunscreen, one very famous sunscreen, or I should say now very infamous. And this is one from the Korean brand Purito. This is the unscented Centella Green Level Sun that has a mention of an SPF of 50 plus with a PA rating of 4 pluses. And yes, I may have already talked about this one and told you that it would be probably safer if you just stop using it. At the point when I did this first video, I was not able to give you like some proper data simply because that was just not my place to do it. But now there is one website, which is NCD Decoder. They have published a full article when you have the link to tests, and they also have made an Instagram post about it. So this is why now I can more freely, in a way, talk about it, and this is really a serious topic. So what they have done is that they have sent this sunscreen in two different labs, one that is in Poland and another one in Germany. So in Poland, they perform an in vitro test and also an in vivo test. And for the in vivo test, this is basically the classic one, which is the isonorma. So it's 24444 if I'm not mistaken, but I will put it down below, and I will leave the link to this article in my description so you can go and check it out and look at the values. And this is the value of the test, and they also did it again, but this time in Germany. But instead of using 10 people, it's the minimum numbers of people that should be used in a way in the SPF test. This is what the isonormal requires. In that case, they did just on 5 people. So we are really talking about in vivo data, and therefore we can compare the results, because also in Korea, this is the in vivo test. And guess what? The SPF that came out was only of 19. So according to Purito, at one point they have published the SPF value, it was around 80. So basically this is a 4-fold difference. So this is not like a meager, like a tiny difference. No, we are really talking about a 4-fold difference. So please people, just stop using this sunscreen. I wanted to film this video for 2 reasons. First of all, to give you like a little bit more of an explanation. And the second thing that is, I think, even more important is that I do not want you to question your other sunscreen and thinking that all Korean sunscreen are bad, all Japanese sunscreen are bad, or every sunscreens in the world are bad. No, please people, don't start to be paranoid. It is like for everything else, we will always have a brand wherever the responsibility is, but there will always be people who are going to cheat. Whether it is from the brand itself, whether it is from, I don't know, the lab that has started to create this formula, that is the lab testing, which is my personal guess, so the laboratory where they have conducted the test. We will never know, and this is not actually the issue. The thing that is always the most important thing for me is that you are, and I'm really talking to all of you, well protected from UVs, and definitely the sunscreen, you need to stop it. Does it mean that the other sunscreen, so the mineral one that they have in Purito, is faulty? No, we have absolutely no evidence, and this is also the exact same thing with the other sunscreens, so don't start to be crazy. Another thing also that I think is important to mention is that in Korea there is the equivalent of the American FDA, which is the KFDA, if I'm not mistaken, and I'm pretty sure that they are going to go and look into this without any doubt, and we don't have to be worried about it. So basically that's it. So my main message to you is, first thing first, please stop using this sunscreen. I have a ton of recommendation on my sunscreen on my channel about other sunscreen. Personally, I have deleted all my videos where I featured this sunscreen. I may be wrong, I may have some others where this sunscreen is still on. This is probably, so you can leave a comment and tell me, oh Cyril, in this video you are talking about this sunscreen, but please just stop using it. And also, do not be worried about the other sunscreens. This is something that is very important. And don't imagine like all Korean sunscreen are going to be bad and they are not regulated and etc. Yes, they are highly regulated. And this is not because one person, like in the whole scheme of things, has cheated, that it means that everybody did. So, well, this is the end. If you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you are new, please consider to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to ring the bell. Again, I have 2 Instagram accounts, one in English and one in French. I mean, thank you so much for your time, and I will see you next time. Au revoir!